Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Philippa Leggett, the Managing Director for Venture Minerals. Philippa, how are you today?
Hi, Shae. Great to be here.
Now, Philippa, Venture announced a share purchase plan on the 10th of July. Can you add some context to this, please?
Yeah, well, for people who don't know the company or are looking at this for the first time, this is about giving shareholders the opportunity to participate alongside institutional investors who have just validated the new strategy that we've put in place. I've been in this role for 2 months now, and we've made some enormous strategic changes to the company. That's all about bringing to light and giving air to our Jupiter clay-hosted rare earths project in Western Australia, which really has got the most phenomenal scale, incredible grade, and is strategically located in a mining precinct. We have decided as the new board to take this forwards as the flagship of the company, and we are tidying up everything to make sure that it's got clear air to really shine. That strategy has been validated recently. We've raised $6 million from institutional investors with two cornerstones. Really exciting to have them on board. That's North Star Impact Fund and Lion Selection Group. They are now part of the team and have validated the strategy. So the idea is to give an opportunity for our existing shareholders to also participate, join us on this journey, and reward them for their support. So we're looking forward to them joining us and helping fund the strategy moving forwards.
As you just stated, Philippa, you've been Managing Director for 2 months now. Can you give us an update on your key areas of focus?
Yeah, well, it's all about Jupiter. So we've done 22,000 meters of drilling into our 40 square kilometer target. Our spacing is still quite broad, and in spite of that, we've had this wonderful, consistent, high-grade mineralization coming up, where we've got over 2,000 parts per million TRE and 20 to 30 meter widths, and that sits within a broader zone of about 1,000 parts per million of up to 80 meters. 23% of our rare earths are sitting within those very valuable heavies, the magnet rare earths oxides. So that's quite exciting. We've got incredibly low thorium and uranium. So we've got all the hallmarks here across that 40 square kilometers of being possibly Australia's biggest clay-hosted rare earths deposit. We're very excited with that, to the extent that we are so confident about the results we've been seeing that we have acquired or agreed to with the joint venture partner to acquire the remaining 30% of the project for just $1.5 million. So moving forwards, we're heading towards that maiden resource estimate. That's due at the end of this year. Lots of news flow to come. That'll be both metallurgy as well as exploration plans and what we're going to target within this broader area, and lots of news flow to come.
Now, Philippa, what is the importance of the strategy you speak of, and what is the funding plans over the next 18 months?
Well, we've actually got the funding to move ahead. This is an opportunity for shareholders to participate in that process. The idea of the strategy was to actually reduce the potential for dilution. If you look at most companies who go into delivering major milestones, in this case, we're talking about the maiden resource followed by a resource upgrade. Typically, the dilution experience, because of the number of times that companies have to go back to the market for additional capital, that dilution is pretty significant, right? Because our exploration costs are so unbelievably low at Jupiter, we've been able to design a plan to deliver those major milestones by raising just $6 million. Now, we're quite comfortable with that. And if we pull this off and we get those results coming the way we are expecting them to look, it's going to be quite an exciting journey with massive potential to re-rate along the way. So, this is the last opportunity to get in terms of capital raisings, and otherwise you're buying it on market. So here's your chance.
Can you talk about the benefit and opportunity for shareholders here?
Yeah. Look, it's a lot to do with that strategy. This has already been validated by major institutional investors with Lion Selection Group and North Star Impact Fund coming on board as cornerstone investors, plus the $6 million that we've raised came from institutional investors, right? That they invest in cycles. They're seeing potential for this over a period and have validated our choices to move forwards with Jupiter as the flagship and really give this project the love and attention that it deserves. So this is an opportunity for shareholders to participate, join us on that journey, and let's see if we can get the re-rate in there. The SPP price is 1.9 cents, and you can subscribe for up to 30,000 $30,000. Come and join us on this journey. We would love your support.
Philippa, thank you so much for being here today and explaining the share purchase plan in detail.
Thanks, Shae.